behold the resplendent Quetzal, a true treasure of the cloud forests in Central America. Known as one of the most beautiful birds in the world, its emerald green feathers and long tail are simply mesmerizing. With their flowing tails, males can grow up to 3 feet long during the breeding season, making them look like they're flying works of art. Quetzals are fruit lovers, especially wild avocados. They swallow the fruit whole and later spit out the seeds, helping to plant more trees and keep the forest thriving. These stunning birds are also symbols of love and loyalty. Quetzals pair up during the breeding season, and both parents work together to care for their chicks. The resplendent Quetzal thrives in high-altitude cloud forests, but its home is under threat due to deforestation. They're also shy and elusive, making them rare treasures for birdwatchers. In ancient Mayan culture, the Quetzal was seen as a sacred symbol of freedom and prosperity. Today, it reminds us of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Let's work together to preserve the home of this spectacular bird, the resplendent Quetzal, a true gem of the wild. Love exploring wildlife wonders? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.